Shelley from Frugal Family Home, and today I have an easy truffle recipe for you. They are butterscotch truffles, and they have a layer of almonds between the truffle and the chocolate. Simple and easy to make, but so delicious. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make them. So we have butterscotch chips, candy coating, extra butterscotch chips to use for the drizzle, whipping cream, almond extract, and finely chopped almonds. First, we're going to put the butterscotch chips into the saucepan and then add the whipping cream to that. And then we're going to just take that to the stove and heat it over low heat until the chips melt. This takes about 5 minutes. And now we have the chips melted. We're going to take it back over and off of the heat, and we're going to use a mixer and mix it up really well. And now it's time to put it in the refrigerator for about an hour to harden up. Okay, so we have our truffle filling ready to roll. So we just want to take a scoop out, put it in our hand, and roll it into a ball just like that, and then we'll put it into the chopped almonds and roll it around really good like that so it's coated, and then we'll just put them on a lined cookie sheet and we'll just continue on until they're all done. And now that we have them all ready, we're going to take them to the freezer for about 30 minutes. Next, we're going to melt the chocolate. So we're going to put the chocolate in the saucepan and take it over to the stove. And then we're just going to stir it over low heat until it's nice and melted, just like this. And then it's time to get our truffles out of the freezer and roll them into the chocolate. Then let the excess drip off and put it back on the pan, and we'll just keep repeating that for a few of them, and then we're going to sprinkle them with more finely chopped almonds, or you can drizzle them with the melted butterscotch chips if you'd like. To make these butterscotch truffles, and if you want the full printable recipe, look for the link in the description. If you don't subscribe to our channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We share lots of easy recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.